Good evening, once more. So this is different product for me. It's pencil drawing made easy. So it's not a business, but it's certainly how you can do it. So we've got a couple of things. It was a home page, of course. Learn how to draw like a master artist with over 42 hours of easy to follow training videos. So it's videos, I think, is the best form of training. They're step by step, and it's just bits at a time. And then you've got comprehensive lesson. Each tour lessons leaves nothing to imagination. Watch anywhere, anytime, tablet, PC, Mac, whatever, and then you can go back to it. So that's the best form of learning. And then if we go to classes, don't know if it gives us an intro. It's really a self-explanatory, telling you what classes and what is involved in the modules. Um, and here they're promoting some businesses, so you can join. It's $47 if you want to learn how to draw. Certainly click the description if you don't like the product. Click Bank Trust to secure 60-day refund, no questions asked. But if you're looking for an online business, completely different from this, then take a look in the description and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.